In this video, we'll understand the arithmetic progression. So let's consider the series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see the difference between 1 and 2 is 1, difference between 2 and 3 is 1, and the difference between next number 3 and 4 is also 1, and the difference between next number 4 and 5 is also 1. So if you see, there is a common difference across two consecutive numbers which is the same, that is called the fixed number. So if the difference between two consecutive number is fixed, then we can say that this is arithmetic series, and the fixed difference is called the common difference. So you can say this is the common difference. And which is denoted by alphabet D. Let's consider another series 5, 10, 15 and 20. In this case, difference between number are 5. So this is also a arithmetic progression. Let's consider another example. Let's say 1, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Here you can see the difference between 1 and 3 is 2. 3 and 4 you have difference 1. 4 and 6 you have difference 2, and 6 and then 8 we have difference 2. So here we can see that common difference are not fixed. So this is not a arithmetic progression. Let's consider another number. This will be descending series. Say 8, 4, 0, -4, -8. In this you can see the common difference between each number is -4. So if you see, the common difference between each number is -4. So this is also an arithmetic progression. So here the first number is denoted by A1, second number we can denote by A2, third number we can denote by A3, and so on. Let's say there is nth number, we can denote by An, and the difference between two number which we call D, this is D. So we can say A2 is A1 plus D, and similarly we can say A3 is equal to A2 plus D. We can represent this one, since from above we know A1 plus D is equal to A1 plus 2D. Similarly, we can represent A4 with A3 plus D. We know A3 is A1 plus 2D, so he will replace A1 plus 2D for A3 and plus D. So this will become A1 plus 3D. So you can see there is a pattern, right? What is the coefficient here, subscript of A here, that we can represent like A2 is A1 plus 2 minus 1D. And similarly here we can represent A1 plus 3 minus 1D. And we can replace here A1 plus 4 minus 1D. So if we continue same way, we can say An is equal to An minus 1 plus D. Similarly, we can replace other part, and we'll come to an minus, sorry, we can also represent this with a1 first term plus n minus 1 d. This is important formula. We can write like an is equal to an minus 1, sorry, a1 plus n minus 1 d. So what does it mean? It means nth term of the series will be first term plus n minus 1 into the common difference. So if we know the first term and we know the common difference and we know the nth term, then we can find the value of the nth term. For example, let's say a1 is 2 and common difference is 3. So what is the 10th term? N is equal to 10. So what is an? So we can write using our formula an is equal to, we'll replace a1 with 2 plus 10 minus 1, d is 3, so we can write here 3, this we can value 2 plus 9 into 3, 2 plus 27, which is equal to 29. So a10 is 29. Thank you. In next video we'll take some more questions. Thank you for watching this video.